crash type of flow. Wrist icicle, ride deck bicycle. Come true, yo. Get you this type of blow.